What is going on, guys? Dalen here from Modern Automotive Performance, and today we're going to talk about one of our new products coming out for the Honda L15 motors, as found in our 2017 Plus Civic Si and the 16 Plus EX, LX, all the other models. This is a product that I don't think is something that's going to be the super glamorous and crazy products as we've kind of released in the past for bigger power, more performance. This is a product that we've found is kind of a requirement the more that we've taken our motors apart. So what we have here is we actually have some inspection covers for the front of the timing tensioner and the rear on the back of the camshaft inspection cover. And the reason for these is that the factory ones are thin stamped steel. Every single time we remove them, they bend just a little bit, and when we put them back on and try to reseal them, they just leak. These are going to be a billet 6061 aluminum that we machine in-house. The rear one is going to be O-ringed, front one is going to be an RTV. You can buy these separately depending on, or you can purchase them as a kit together. As you kind of see on the engine installed next to us, it's going to come with all new hardware. Nice little Allen flush bolts there. And these will bolt right onto the factory locations and be reusable. You can take them off, put them back on over and over and over again. Whereas, like I said, at the factory ones, every single time we removed it, it leaked the next time. Not a very glamorous product in the sense that you're not going to see much out of it in the sense of performance or power gains, but what we found is it makes the engine look a little bit better, and it's actually a reusable component that we can use over and over. As always, guys, if you're interested in this product, it's going to be in the description. It's going to be the top pinned comment. Click on that link and you'll be able to purchase these. We are going to hopefully keep these in stock as often as possible. And if you guys have any questions at all, you can call our sales staff or email in. We got plenty of people on the phones or watching the emails to take care of you guys and answer any questions you may have. And if you like content like this, videos like this, me talking about our products, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. It helps the channel, helps you guys, helps all of us.